Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to check system health and hardware status. Only one command. Okay, let's start the video. Type on search CMD. Click on run as administrator. Now command is open. Type here command perfmon/report. Hit enter. Okay. Now generating a report detailing the status of local hardware resource system response time and process on the local computer along with system information and configuration data. This report includes suggestion for way to maximum performance and streamline system operation. Membership in the local administrator group or equivalent is the minimum requirement to run the data collector set. Okay, now report is generating. Please wait while take a time. Okay, now see on screen report is generating a report detailing the status of local hardware resource. Okay, now report is generating. Now you see on report status generating report. Okay, wait for. Now you see report is generated. This is my system report. Okay, system name, report generate time. This is an error. Okay, the driver's error. Now check here. OS checks pass. Disk check also pass. Hardware device and drivers is failed. Okay, this simple command is useful for check PC report. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video. Please don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Okay.